Hello my viewers and welcome back to another unboxing, viewing and testing. And today I have the Cordless Jigsaw 20V from Parkside performance power tool, the model PSSPA 20LID3. Bare unit only, battery and charger not included, brushless motor extra long life due to less wear and tear, number of strokes 800 to 3800 SPM, 7 steps, stroke length 26 mm, max cutting depth 135 mm in wood, 20 mm in non-ferrous metal, steel soft 10 mm. Pendulum stroke level 1 to 3 and fine cut setting 0. Cutting angle right and left from 0, 22.5 degrees and 45 degrees. For wood, non-ferrous metal, steel soft, accessories included. It is compatible with all batteries in the X20V team series, with a 5 years warranty. In comparison to the Parkside Cordless Jigsaw PSSPA 20LID3, 30% faster work progress, 20% longer running time and 10 times longer motor life because it has a brushless motor. Ready to connect with all the smart batteries from Parkside with Bluetooth connectivity and the app. So let's open the box and find out more about this product and how we can use it. I like the case, Parkside performance, black and red. And here it is, the power tool. Included we have the manual, parallel guide. You can have the battery with the power tool here. Another battery may be here. And of course, and the charger here, if you want the fast charger or the regular charger. For me, use regular charger. You will have your battery longer. And included we have these cutting blades, 3 cutting blades, flexible metal, Parkside speed wood, and again Parkside speed wood. Now the parallel guide, you can connect it here. Unscrew these 2 screws. Maximum 10 cm, 11 cm, because you need to have both screws at the parallel guide. Tighten it and start cutting. Auxiliary handle here, insulated grip, I like it. And here, very soft. We have the on-off button and the unlock button. The pendulum stroke switch. It depends what you are using, what materials. First, second and 3. Very easy to adjust. I like how it looks, the tool. It feels very robust, premium power tool. Here we have the switch for the dust blower, on and off. And of course we have the adapter for your vacuum. Here you can connect your vacuum, or the adapter first and then the vacuum. The lever, pull and release, and then front and adjust at the left 22.5 or 45 degrees. It depends, left on right. Find the right position, pull back and then lock again. Pull front, back, locks. There it is. So easy. The same in here. With a lever lock, and that was all. Start working. We have the line guider adapter here, this plastic, and here you can release the chuck together with the plastic. It helps, I like that. And then you can install one of the cutting blades, press and it locks, press and lock. So easy. Nice. And of course, here you can connect one of the batteries, 4Ah professional, 8Ah professional. I use the professional batteries, or if you want, you can use the regular batteries, 2Ah and 4Ah. We have buttons here and here. It will help choose what buttons you want to use. Press once. It doesn't work, you need to press first this button. The same in here. Lock, unlock. Stop and then lock again. Let's remove the blade for now. And let me show you here the numbers. We have the stroke rate button, Bluetooth connectivity. The light has connected with the battery. And you can choose auto, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And again 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 auto. We have then the over temperature display here. It will light up. The battery capacity, again we can see 4 LED indicators, red, orange and green. So let's unlock. And add the app. Here it is, the app. Connected again, we can see the connection, blue LED, now disconnected. So let's start. We can see the temperature, charging current, discharge current, capacity. And we can choose performance, balance. I have made a video for this battery, Eco. You can check the video and how you can use the battery with the app right in the corner after the end of this video. All the time you know how is performing your battery. Again, connect it. Here we have the plastic surface. Nice. On a black gray color. It's getting hot here. It doesn't have a laser line. You can guide with this red line at the plastic where you are cutting. I like it, it looks amazing with the battery. And it costs only 40 euros for a performance power tool. Of course, without the battery and the charger. Nice grip. So let's move on and cut the wood. I like how it synchronizes with the app and you know each time the performance of your battery. I don't know if anyone will bother to check when working or after, but you have the option to see. It is a performance power tool with a cost only 40 euros, good price. If you don't have a Parkside battery, you need to give more. I like how it works, the results are very good. You can cut any type of wood, plastic or metal in a certain length. Has a good grip and you can move around with the tool when cutting the wood. This is the end of the video, thank you for watching. Until my next video, don't forget to subscribe, share this video and hit the notification bell. Have a nice and lovely day, bye bye.